Hi, you guys. I'm Denise with Artist at Heart, and I want to show you what's inside the video vault at the artistatheart.org website. So you guys are going to find a lot of different categories with over 260 art lessons, starting with the 30-minute video. So this is one of our categories. Most of the videos range from 30 minutes to 60 minutes about. And again, you're going to find everything from hearts to cactus, self-portraits, pointillism, planets, collages, organic and geometric shapes. We're always incorporating vocabulary. They're interdisciplinary lessons. And you just click on whichever one you want to do. This one's a 30-minute lesson. You're going to learn about Henry Matisse. Let's just click on it.
Which is what we're going to really focus on today. We're going to be creating with drawing with scissors, cutting and gluing.
And again, you guys can always use a pencil and paper to create with us. I'll give you information about shapes.
The organic shapes are a natural shape, like clouds.
Okay, again, very educational. We do fun, any level. You guys can use any supplies that you want to. Let's go back to 30 minutes. So we have 30-minute videos. I showed you guys a bunch of the stuff in the categories. Let's go back to categories. All right, seasonal categories. Under the seasonal categories, we have Martin Luther King lesson. You can, again, use any supplies. And under the lessons, you're also going to find printable templates. So here's an MLK I Have a Dream template. You can print it out. You can color it. You can trace it. You can use it as a reference, however you want to differentiate your instruction. So again, this is up to you. I draw every lesson step by step. So you can follow along and you can color. You can learn about Martin Luther King or whatever it is that we're learning about that day. And then again, this one is I'll show you. Here's the ending.
Okay. Proud. Bye, you guys.
So let's go back to winter. Let's see what else we have here. Groundhog Day. And you're gonna, a lot of them are literacy based. Let's go back to.
Sees his shadow. There will be 6 more weeks of winter. What?
No more winter. I'm done with winter. So again, at Valentine's, President's Day. So on President's Day, we're actually drawing the White House. You have printable templates right here. Let's go back to drawing the White House.
That's today. So if you guys look at the White House, we're going to draw the front of the White House. And if you look at it, it's got some very basic shapes. A lot of rectangles, right? You guys just read the banner. Does that sound good? All right, hold on.
Big screen right here, so we can just
I'm gonna hold on one sec.
So we have students that come on camera while we're live and share information with us that they know about the White House or whatever it is that we're learning about. And at the end of the videos, if we're live, you can come on camera and share your artwork with us or wave and say hi. So if you were interested in seeing the other students, scroll to the end of the videos and you can see. We go live once a month. You'll receive a link in an email that will give you the ability to come on camera if you want with us. Most of the people utilize the video vault with the recordings because again, we have over 262 videos that you can use as a whole classroom. You can use them in small group or you can use them individually. So a lot of the teachers have them on their Chromebooks. There's an art app so you can access everything on the app. The kids love that. And again, you can use any supplies that you want to. They're great for substitute teachers. They're great for indoor recess. They're great for so many things, for interdisciplinary lessons. And again, we tell jokes and have fun and think outside the box. So let's go back to winter. Let's see what else we have in here. We have cute penguins and polar bear cubs and deer friends. Let's go back to the other categories. So we have seasons. Animals are very popular. You can learn about llamas. Let's go to learn about llamas. And again, you can change any colors and designs and use any art supplies that you want to.
Llama's eyes are on the side of its head. So it's on the sides of the head. That way it can look out for danger in all directions. That's pretty cool.
Fun facts, right? Did you know that about llamas? Anyway, so you're always going to be learning in a fun and safe environment. Again, I cannot say enough about the Video Vault and all the categories. I'm Denise, I'm a certified art teacher, and I want to make this just fun, educational, and easy use for teachers and students of all ages and abilities. So that's why we have printable templates with everything, so that, again, you can be any age, any ability, have that as a resource, create with us. Art and literacy, art techniques, cartoons, Christmas, events, famous artists, food, one of my favorite categories. Then we have Halloween in the news, multimedia, music, nature, scenery, sea adventures, and sports. So much to do, so much to choose from. You guys can do this any day of the week, and it's a great tool to have anywhere, whether you're in the classroom or at home. So I'm Denise. Contact me at artistheart.org with any questions. Keep creating, think outside the box, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, you guys.